Welcome back to Home Crux. My name is Priya and today we are going to make a haunted house for Halloween decorations. I'm going to use this white foam board. This is very much pliant but it's easier to cut through than cardboard. I have a stencil here. I'm going to use this to map the facade of the house. Next I'm using a craft knife. Now that we have our cutouts, we are going to paint them. I'm going to use white, black, burnt sienna and yellow ochre. We are going to mix a paint to give our house an old-timey look. So we will start with the front. I'm starting with a mixture of sienna and ochre, a little bit of black mixed in there. I'm using acrylic colors, you can use any colors that you prefer. Now that we have painted the front and the back, we are going to add some colorful paper. This is how it should look. You can trim any excess on the side if there is any. That is done, we are going to have a roof glued to the top. So you can decide how wide you want this to be. So now we are going to hot glue this T hook right below the top window so that it looks like a chandelier. Now attach the other side to it. I added another supporting beam here. Now I'm going to use a piece of cardboard to glue this on. Make a nice little base. Add glue here at the bottom. So we are going to add hot glue on the base. Now that it's done, we are going to add the rooftop. Just to hold this in place, supporting it with a couple of glasses. First we are going to glue the sides of the roof to each other. While that dries a bit, we are going to add glue here. And on the roof goes. Now we are going to paint the roof. So I am using the same palette of colors that we used on the front of the house in the back. So this is our final product. Let's light it up. I think it looks very pretty with some of the hot glue strings poking around as if they are spider webs, and the chandelier looks great. I think the spider webs turned out really cute. Just a little bit of spooky in them. So here you go. Our haunted house is ready.